We would like to acknowledge that Breton Brewing is located in Mi'kma'ki, the traditional, ancestral, and unceded territory of the Mi'kmaq people.
Cape Breton is just it's a tremendous island with such natural beauty, and we're so lucky to be from here. Cape Bretoners are a very proud people, and I hear all the time, hey, we're going to the brewery, not we're going to Breton Brewing, because people in this community they take ownership in it.
A big part of what's made Breton Brewing successful to date is the quality, from our product to our staff to that warm, welcoming environment when you come into our tap room. We like to make a style to suit any palate. From our #1 selling beer, which is Black Angus IPA, we also do some lighter styles up to darker beers and double IPAs as well.
We start off with the highest quality of base grain, and we go from there. Every beer in our tank will get tested. There's many testing types we can do. We can do a PCR reaction. It is the test for wild yeast. Wild yeast is any yeast that's different than the yeast we want in our product. Quality sits above everything else at Breton Brewery, from the ingredients we use, from the machinery we use, from our quality control testing, and most importantly, the community that drives our product.
To me, when you walk into the tap room, on a Friday afternoon and the place is full and there's some acoustic music going, that warmth just kind of hits you.
What makes a taproom a welcoming place is mostly the people. Everyone knows each other, and if they don't, all of the friendly faces here are very welcoming. We also have the windows in the taproom open to the brewery.
You might see Ian doing a brew, or you might see Matt on the canning line, or Shane getting deliveries ready to go out. People are really interested in that. They love it.
We pride ourselves on being in Cape Breton and wearing that B proudly, but I think it's that quality of our product that makes us stand out.